start out with the king crab. You just trim down the shell here with a big heavy poultry knife. Okay. Separate it out. You're gonna get that lovely crab leg right there, okay? So when you're picking out asparagus, nice large jumbo, you peel it down a little bit, it gets a little fibrous down at the bottom there. You don't necessarily want to use that for this application. However, you use about 6 to 8 inches of it. The rest of it, save it. Cook this down, chop it up, cook it down with some onions, cook it into like a mushroom ragu or something like that, or asparagus ragu or seasonal primavera for vegetables. For this particular purpose, we're going to blanch these in boiling salted water. When you utilize the same pot, it's less to clean, less to cook, less fuss for everything. So we're gonna warm the crab in the same water with the asparagus. The asparagus is gonna take probably around 3 to 4 minutes to cook. The crab is probably gonna take around 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. On the shallots, you wanna season them. You wanna get a little salt in there. It's gonna help cooking them. It's gonna help soften them. Now at this point, your crab is already ready to go. So you're gonna pull it out of the water really quickly, set it right to the plate that you're gonna use to serve it, okay? And the crab only needs a moment to cook because it's already processed offshore, so it's already steamed and ready to go. You really just have to get the chill out of it, okay? So we have our shallots cooking here, okay? We're gonna add our white wine. I'm gonna turn up the flame to very high heat. We wanna emulsify the white wine with the butter. Okay, we're gonna add a little salt, a little pepper. When you bring the wine to a rapid boil, what happens is the water expands, the fat from the butter then emulsifies together. So it's really important that the butter and the water come to a rolling boil, emulsification, lower the heat, whisk very vigorously. And the butter should be nice and cold. Now our sauce is nicely emulsified, okay? Nice, the butter, almost like creamy. I'm gonna roll our asparagus in there. Use the back of the spoon for tasting. Delicious. Now you could use the front of the spoon for plating. So now you get a plate the butter sauce right on your crab. You're gonna finish with some asparagus just like that. Nice seasonal dish. Perfect for this time of season. Something else really fun. Take your herbs, put them into a mason jar or tie them together. Okay, grab them really tightly. Take your scissors and just go over and season the dish. Finish it with nice, soft, fresh sniffed herbs. And there you have it. King crab with asparagus beurre blanc. Enjoy.